Hello, everyone. My name is Courtney Maynard, and I am from Eastern Kentucky. Um, I am currently enrolled in the IO Master's program, and am actually an alumni from EKU with my bachelor's in psychology as well. I do work. I am a screening and referral specialist slash training coordinator for a nonprofit that provides the state of Kentucky with the Kentucky Help Statewide Call Center, which assists individuals in finding substance and alcohol use resources throughout the state. Essentially, I'm a type of case manager for the whole state and also act as training coordinator there, as I said. Um, which means I create trainings and provide the training for our employees and for individuals throughout the state on how to best use our services. So that leads me into what I hope to learn from this class is a better way to analyze job performance as well as these trainings and what people are learning and just kind of what to do with that data. I have a basic sense of the idea, but I'm excited to learn a little more about that. I have read all the information for the course and have printed off my syllabus, so I do feel like I understand the expectations that come with this course. And as far as something funny or interesting about me, I really believe that the most interesting thing about me are my children. So, as you can tell, I live a very exciting life. But I have a 7-year-old son named Christian who was actually born at 23 weeks gestation. So, that is before viability typically. So, he's a living miracle. And he's amazing and fantastic. He does have mild cerebral palsy, but it doesn't stop him one bit. And we added our daughter, Piper, to our family a year ago, which actually I took a leave of absence from the program because she came and COVID hit all at the same time. Um, so I'm just starting back this summer, and she just turned a year old, and she is amazing and hilarious, and it's just the perfect fit for our family. And I'm just really excited to be back in the program because this is what I love and this is what I want to do. And I think it's really important to finish and set goals, especially showing my children that we don't quit. We finish seeing things through. But yeah, that's me in a nutshell. I'm excited to be here and can't wait to learn. Thank you guys.